Hello, welcome to Harris Orthodontics. Thank you for taking the time to meet me and my staff. We want to show you how at Harris Orthodontics we can make a difference in your life. Come on guys, let's get started. Hey guys, we're really excited to have you here. We know you'll love our office as much as we do. Come on. Along with a comfortable reception room, we have a beverage center and Wi-Fi as well. Our number one priority is to make you feel welcome. My administrative team is here to help you and answer any questions or concerns you may have. They love what they do and they enjoy the relationships they develop with our patients. The next step in the new patient process is to see our treatment coordinator. She will take a few photos and a panoramic x-ray and display them on our flat screen TV. Once I speak with her, I will perform a thorough exam and present my findings by showing you images of your teeth and smile. Together, we can discuss the best option for your orthodontic treatment and you will have all the information needed to make the best decision for yourself or your family. The next step to customize your treatment plan is to take a digital scan. We have a state-of-the-art scanning machine. This will give us a three-dimensional image of the position of your teeth so we can formulate a treatment plan. As you can see, she has a patient. We'll get back to her. All of our patients have an opportunity to spin our awesome prize wheel.
There it is. One more time. Come on, slow down. Slow down.
15. 80, you're going to the showcase.
Congratulations.
Once you start treatment at Harris Orthodontics, we will see you in our open bay. My clinical staff is the absolute best and they have many years of experience working together. They are hardworking and you are absolutely going to love them. Okay guys, let's turn off the TVs and get back to work. Come on, turn off the TVs, let's get back to work.
I can't wait to make you smile.
Our photo booth is an excellent way to document your progress as your smile changes. And of course, it's fun just to be silly. We hope you've enjoyed seeing our office and meeting my staff. They don't work for me, they work for you. We truly love what we do, and I am so blessed to have a team that is not only professional, but provides excellent patient care. Come see me and my staff in person and experience the difference at Harris Orthodontics.